So I realised I really not stuck to my once a week uploading, but then I'm getting busy because I've got 2 shows on at the moment. So I thought I'd do a kind of day in the life thing because I'm still in the flat for Easter, as it is now Easter, so happy Easter. It's not got too much to do at the moment, but there will be probably majority of this me playing with a cat because I'm looking after my friend's cat while she's on holiday. So let's see how this day goes. This is Tommy. If you can actually see him, he likes the camera. Good boy. Two things. One, I now wear glasses, mainly to do close-up work on computer, but glasses. And two, I have hay fever anyway, but I've been waking up with hay fever attacks and stupidly couldn't work out why. I think I've worked out why. I brought myself daffodils, didn't I? They're now a bit dead, so I'm gonna get rid of them. But that might explain everything. I am not the cleverest of human beings. Yeah, that wasn't a smooth move, Eloise, buying daffodils. So as it's Easter, and me and Zoe are both up in London, we said we'd get each other Easter eggs. And this is what I got from Zoe, if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. I am happy with this. Yay! Food order! Adult stuff. Whoop.
He's so cuddly today.
Hey. Oh, come here. Oh. Kiss. Oh.
Oh, he's so fluffy. Oh. That is one happy kitty.
No. For someone who knows they have cat allergies, I don't really care.
Oh.
Somebody is very cuddly today. Okay, Jimmy. Sorry, sweetheart.
It's being attacked, it's fine.
I knew I'd regret that. So Zoe, what are we doing now?
Totally not playing Simpsons on GameCube, but on Wii.
Yeah, we've hooked the
We have a GameCube, it's there.
Yeah, we've hooked it up to the Wii, although we do have the actual GameCube. We just couldn't be bothered to hook it up.
Lazy.
Yay! Childhood!
God.
So may have been slightly too lazy to cook. Were we lazy, Zoe?
We were a little lazy.
Yeah, and we got Indian. Woo! Zoe, woo! You're not in focus.
Woo.
You're focused now.
Sorry, I'm trying to set the iPad
Oh yeah. So Zoe, what just happened?
I succeeded in doing one lap of Rainbow Road in the time it took everyone else to complete Rainbow Road. I will do this right this time. Oh, I hate Rainbow Road. I hate it so much.
Zoe is attempting Rainbow Road again.
Do it, guys. I can't do it. Oh shit. We started well, guys. We started well.
From first to last. How to go from first to last by Zoe.
A guide by Miss Zoe Gregg.
Thank goodness for barriers.
I know. Yeah. I don't know how I'm managing this.
You've bettered yourself. You've done one lap.
Woo! No, wait, I got this far last time. Now I've bettered myself.
Oh,
Amy.
you got caught up in the explosion.
Fuck you! No!
Zoe, don't try and avoid it by going off.
I'd rather fall than get deflected. I'm fine. Don't you dare pound me. Don't you dare pound me. What did I tell you? It's fine, I'm in third.
Oh,
She takes 7th. I'm cool with that. Last time I was like 12th and like lapped twice. I can live with 7th.
how am I first?
I don't know. Die.
No, Butterbill. Be nice, thank you, Butterbill.
Oh.
Corner. Don't drive into the blackness, Eloise. I'm somehow first again. You're just whispering "fuck up" underneath your breath.
Yep.
Bitch! No! Yeah. Oh, it's fine. Oh, they were one. Up and down.
Impressed, Eloise.
I'm impressed. So that was my Easter, and it just turned into me and Zoe playing Mario Karts for the last 3-ish hours. I beat her a lot, which is always good. So yeah, hope you enjoyed randomness. I'm gonna try and do some more videos soon because I feel like it. So if you enjoyed this, click subscribe or like, and see you next time. Bye.